This weekend we visited Sangama near Bangalore. We had discovered a new day camping spot where we had enjoyed our day thoroughly. Here are some glimpses of the trip for you.
Hello, I'm Bitmala and welcome to Click a Tale. So today we are going for a weekend camping near Bangalore. Right now, I hope you guys already know where we are going, but believe me, I don't know where we are going. Rather, no one knows where we are going. So this is a very sudden plan. So from yesterday evening, we started saying, "Let's go for a camping. Let's go for a camping," and then we all of a sudden decided that okay, let's tomorrow morning, let's go somewhere. We have packed our tent, camping kit, cooking utensils and everything in our car, and now we are heading towards Sangam, which is near to Bangalore, and in between on the way, if we get some nice place, we'll try to explore that place, do the camping over there. So today's trip is going to be a little different than all other trips because earlier times we knew that where we are going, but this time we really don't know where we are going. But Bangalore or Karnataka itself is so beautiful that we have 100% faith that on the way we'll surely get some beautiful place. So chalo, chalte, come.
So by the time we are finding our today's destination, let me quickly introduce with all of us. So here is Tinni. She is sleeping. It's almost 7 a.m. in the morning. It's too early for her, so she's sleeping. Here is my mother-in-law. Say hi.
তাকে বলো হাই তাকাও ভালো করে হাসো বলো হাই
She is not comfortable with camera. And on the front seat there is my father-in-law.
आगे हाय बोलो हाय
And जो हमेशा कैमरा के पीछे रहता है श्रीबाश behind the camera. Sangama is almost 90 kilometers from Bangalore. So first we took the nice road and now it's Kanakpura road. It will take I think almost 2 hours or minimum 1.5 hours to reach Sangama. Once we have crossed the city fence and entered Sangama road from Kanakpura, the wide green and village landscape were welcoming us. On the way, we crossed forest checkpost of Kaveri Wildlife Sanctuary, where we had to share our details like name, car, and mobile number as part of our regular check. In monsoon, these forest roads become extremely beautiful, covered by lush green. Oh ho ho ho! Look at this place! Amazing! चलना है? चलिए चलते हैं। So right now we are at a parking space. Can you believe it? Yes, this is a parking space. So it is just 15-20 minutes before the Sangam, and it actually kind of a valley. You can see surrounded by the hills. So it's a completely surrounded by the hills. It's very lovely, and I can't believe that this place is so close to Bangalore. Last week we have been to Vagamon and we were running on the meadows and all. So those videos will come soon. But this is for me is kind of a chota Vagamon. This kind of meadow and all. So enjoy the view, it's beautiful. Unbelievable. That's the beauty of Karnataka. Hills are meeting each other like a wave and clouds are kissing their foreheads. Tinni loves to do day camping. Want to know why?
So let me show you the struggle of a photographer. See how she's clicking photo. Okay. So the lovely photos that you see, this is the effort behind it.
So we spent a good time here, almost 40 minutes, 45 minutes we have spent here. We have tried something new actually. Tinni has tried something new. She has tried to click photos. She has clicked lot of photos. Let me show you those photos. Huh? Now we will go to Sangam. So Sangama, not Sangam. Sangam, I think. Shangum is a Bengali word. Sangam may be Hindi, and here it is Sangama. So हम लोग संगमा चलते हैं. This is 9 in the morning and we have reached Sangama. The place is still not that crowded. Water bottle. Fish fry, I think. Bye. Yes.
ये कौन सा फिश है?
टाइगर है, पॉम्पलेट है,
टाइगर पॉम्फ्रेट,
कटला है,
कटला,
जिलेबी है।
So is this for करी
नहीं,
के लिए? फ्राई दिया। अच्छा राइस फाइस तो अच्छा खाना भी मिलता है यहाँ पे।
एक रेस है, लेमन रेस है।
Now we are at Sangama.
Sangama.
Mama.
So this is basically a Sangama point of Arkavati and Kaveri river. So you might have seen our Arkavati riverside video also. Nah.
She's enjoying a lot.
আসার পথে এখন দেরি হয়ে গেলে ওখানে একগাদা ভিড় হয়ে যাবে।
So he is not letting us eat anything. बहुत जल्दी में है। उसको अभी वहाँ जाना है। He doesn't want any crowded place. So he wants इसीलिए जल्दी भागो कुछ मत खाओ कुछ मत करो चलो सिर्फ। You can do Korakal ride also from here, but unfortunately, right now Korakal ride is no permission is there for. So unfortunately, right now there is no permission for Korakal ride due to high water level. You can see the water flow. Sitting at this river bank of Sangama, time passed so fast we could not even realize that we spent around 1 hour here.
look at the water level. This is too much, huh? And this side is Kaveri, and the other side, that side is Arkavati. So that's how two rivers are meeting here, and that's why it is Sangama. What is the name of this place?
Sangama.
Yes.
Sangapiki. Sangapiki didi.
বুদবুদি করছিস না? मलाई मिला?
Yes, finally. पांच नारियल लेने के बाद.
If you're coming for a day trip here, so you can plan in this way that you can come here and then have the view, your Coracle ride, and then there is a Hotel Mayura. Hotel Mayura is that side, and the view from Mayura is also, it's the same view, it's very nice. So you can have your breakfast here, and then you can go for your next destination. Though we are not going to Mekadatu today, but normally in this kind of day trip, you can merge Mekadatu with this place, this Sangama. And otherwise, you keep watching. Let's see what we can explore. No? Yeah! We are done with this Sangama स्थल. Now चलते आगे देखते हैं क्या मिलता है. Lot of small shops are here. If you want to have your breakfast or lunch, you can have it. Also Hotel Mayura is also there, so you can go for that. So it's a nice place and little crowded and see.
चल रहा है.
No, तुमको ही देख रहे थे, आपको ही देख रहे थे, पता नहीं. ये हिंदी भी थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है.
ये तुमको.
तो अभी हम लोग वही बोल रहे थे कि नाउ देयर इज अ टेम्पल विच वी आर टारगेटिंग टू एक्सप्लोर. पता नहीं वो कहाँ पे है, ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
This temple is deep inside the forest, so it's gonna be lovely. I've seen some photos. It's awesome and not explored by many people. So let's go.
बट ये जगह बहुत अच्छा है ना.
हाँ.
मुझे अच्छा लगा. थोड़ा क्राउडेड है और पानी का लेवल, वाटर लेवल अगर कम होता तो नेक्स्ट टाइम कभी आना पड़ेगा बिफोर अगस्त. Actually last week there is a heavy rainfall in Bangalore and I think that's the reason. ये क्या है?
Hello.
ये क्या है? कितना करके?
10 रुपया.
एक. Do you have 10 rupees? फोकस ही नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. अभी हुआ? हाँ. This is buttermilk and it looks yummy.
Tasty.
Cheers. Cheers तो कर ले. Cheers. On the way, we have visited two beautiful temples located inside the deep Kaveri Wildlife Forest. In our next video, we will share details about these two temples and how you can plan your entire day. So don't forget to subscribe our channel Click Hotel and to click on the bell button so that you can get the notification of our upcoming videos. Now it's time for our day camping, the most exciting one. We came back to Muguru Forest Viewpoint and decided to camp here. It's quite safe since a lot of people comes here with family and friends, and also the place has a magnificent 360-degree view. We spent around 2 to 3 hours here by relaxing and enjoying this beautiful view. Tinni has enjoyed a lot today. I could see her happiness while running around in this open field. So Tinni, are you sleepy?
No.
No. And Mr. Paul, what are you doing?
I am getting ready for the cooking. We'll have to cook lunch. It's already 2:30 now. We are very hungry now. So now we'll have to cook our food first.
क्या है खाने में?
We have Malabar paratha
Hmm.
and we have
Chili chicken and
chili chicken and
palang paneer.
palang paneer. Yes. There you go.
So Srivash is busy in cooking and Mamoni is helping him. And do you remember Srivash? Last time you forget the chatu?
Yes, this one.
That is while we were. That was also a weekend trip. It was near Netigere. If you have missed that video, link is on the I button. You can check that out. That is also a very beautiful place. You can do camping. There is a temple. There is a multiple falls. So if you have missed it, check the link. And now, कुछ खाते हैं. We are very hungry. So we are having chili chicken and paratha. Now it's time to say goodbye and I hope you have enjoyed this video. So I am Dipmala signing off for now and we'll meet you in our next video. Till then, stay safe, be happy and travel more.